Let me go ahead and quickly show you how you can fix your audio only coming from one side of your video file. Okay, so you're probably going to have this issue for all of the different clips that you have. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and right click on any file that has this issue. And if there are multiple files or clips kind of like this, then you can just go ahead and select them all by clicking on Command or Control A. After that, go ahead and right click on it and you're going to see this option, Clip Attribute. So go ahead and click on this. This is going to open up this new window here and you're going to be in the video section. So what you want to do is go over to the audio. From mono here, you want to go ahead and choose stereo instead. And I automatically get the option embedded channel 2 here because I have two different channels when I'm recording this video clip, but you're probably just going to have one here, so you can just go ahead and choose from it's going to be none by default. Just go ahead and choose embedded channel 1. What that's going to do is that it's going to copy the audio from, for example, your left side in the situation and go ahead and just do the same on the right. This means that you have symmetrical audio and your video file would sound a lot better. After that, just go ahead and click on OK and yeah, now you're done. So yeah, I hope this quick video helped you out.